recall, my CTE pathway was welding. I am a graduating class of 2022.
Hello, my name is Brandon Manelli. I'm a graduating class of 2022 from Capitan High School, and my CTE pathway was welding. My experience in welding started my junior year of high school when I transferred to Capitan and got placed into a welding class. I didn't really know how it was going to be, but I instantly enjoyed it once I started. I didn't really know that welding was going to be my career choice until I started taking it serious my senior year. That's when I got a D1.1 3G limited thickness mild steel certification.
I started welding my sophomore year, and from that point on, I kept on welding, and I just found a love for welding because it was just the way that science just makes it go together and how you weld it together. And I ended up joining the welding team, and we all placed top 3 in the state. During my junior year, I also accomplished a certification of MUHSD 1.1 3G limited thickness on mild steel.
Some things I wish I would have known when I was first entering high school my freshman year were the opportunities, money, and jobs that were in the welding field. Realistically, in trade schools, there's a lot of equal opportunities, if not better, with less time taken, less money taken to get into your field, and it's just a great overall opportunity that I think more people should know about getting into high school.
Opportunities that I wish I knew about my freshman year of high school was definitely for sure FFA. FFA throughout my junior and senior year taught me so much responsibility and made me learn who I am as a person and what my interests are. There's over 20,000 different career paths that you could possibly find in FFA, and all of them teach you how to be hardworking and make sure that you're on point with everything you do. I personally found welding because it's something that I like to do, where it's hardworking, and I know that what I earn is what I get, and I make sure that I make my own way. Since high school has showed me the welding aspect of it, and I always thought I could go further and greater onto it, so I decided to engineer and go into the engineering side of welding, and I'm going to be attending Weaver State University in Ogden, Utah.
After high school, I've been working welding in layered manufacturing currently, and I'm enrolled in pipe weld technology at Merced College. I plan on getting my certification in pipe weld technology and furthering my career from there, either in a union or in PG.